Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, the 15th of July. OMG, July is almost halfway through. What is going on? These days are going quicker than the sun comes up in the morning. Anyways, it is kind of cloudy, kind of sunny, kind of who knows what it is. Mother Nature will do what she wants to do. Right now it is 18 degrees out here on the west coast of Okanagan Lake, maybe getting up to 30 today. We'll see if Mother Nature lets it be. Oh, we have some beautiful osprey flying around here. Here we go, here we go. It's looking pretty good in Grand Prairie. Maybe get up to 26, and now the osprey. Sorry, cut off. There they are, way out there. Doing their osprey thing. Anyways, thank you for your presence. It is nice and sunny now. The sun is coming out. There's one boat on the lake. Remember, it is, what's this sailboat? Really? Might be Captain Highliner from next door. Sailing the 7 seas. But there's no sea there. Anyways, I digress. We might get rain. It's looking pretty ugly towards the west. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Tuesday. Grand Prairie is supposed to be 17 right now, maybe getting up to 26. So we'll see what happens. I'll post a picture of them. And yeah, our osprey are doing their osprey thing out there. Where'd they go? They're up in the clouds. Oh, there they are. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Tuesday. We'll update with weather as needed. Peace out.